way you don't do young to come on.
I don't tell you sir they hungry.
They're hungry, you are uncle, they're hungry. Me, I'm not hungry.
Dorcas, no be gadus be this.
No be gadus, so now, wallet, money.
Wallet. Oya na pick am make we dey go.
Why? Your own dey miss.
What I'm saying whether my own dey miss, you no get sense.
Your own dey miss, now no now.
This money na our money now. You know say we never chop.
I take your money because you never chop, now make you have your money.
As you see this money here, we suppose collect am. Na the Lord's doing. You know.
Okay, what if they set up all these rituals? Let me see if you pick and go turn yam or fowl or
like you no get sense. So why they believe all those superstitious belief? Why they believe all those things? See, make I tell you. Ma tell you something. You know, say you be my little niece, and I no go feel on you because I like you well. I no fit see where no good. I go carry you go for there because I know say no good for you. If I tell you something, you're supposed to do am. Based on say I senior you. I no be just senior. I talk past you. I get sense past you. I don't see shaggy. I don't see good. I don't see bad.
True.
So pick and make we dey go.
Okay, you say me I be your little niece. And my uncle.
Yes, I know.
And you talk past me.
Of course.
And you gallant past me.
Yes.
I no go let any bad thing happen to you. You know what happen? I want me to pick the money, make a day observe for you.
Make I pick
nothing will happen, trust me, nothing will happen. Even if anything happen to you, I go there alive, testify.
Nothing will happen. I know say nothing they fear you.
I go testify. If anything happen, I go testify. Let me go tell people what to so.
This money, you know. Hey! Dorcas, you thought I'm telling you. What I'm telling you.
Sian.
Okwani na adra diko no dia unna ofu. Okwani kun na ofu. Anyway, for your information, this is the last portion of food in this house. So get ready to stay hungry. Oh my God.
Wait, Chemgodi. Whose portion of food is this? Whose food is this?
It's your own now. I brought it for you. You use leg and kick everything.
Hey, Dorcas, you should have held my leg. Now I can't eat them number.
I should have held your leg. So that you give me 140. So that you make me after one eye, Abby. After one eye. Not only you held my leg. You are kicking ball to post. You have to give go.
So, Mama, you said this is the only food remaining in the pot. What am I going to eat now? I'm hungry.
Child, come and draw a pot. This is the last portion of food in the pot. In fact, I have even poured water for washing.
Hey!
By the way, why do you jump up like that? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Your usual way of dreaming. What, tell me. What did you dream of this time?
And he was driving. Abi was not. Were you driving in the dream? Maybe he was driving. Now you now wanted to cause accident. Now I would brake. You are using your leg to control brake. Maybe that is why. You never can tell. It's at yourself.
I'm so ashamed of you. Look at you. A grown-up man like you. All you do is just comb your beards, barb your hair, sleep, dream, wake up. Just like the dreamer.
Mama, I've told you, and I won't say this again. There is no befitting job that suits my qualification. I'm a graduate. Yes? I graduated with first class upper. I have a dream. I know where I'm going to. I know who I am. I will chase my dream. I will get there.
Okay, Mechuano, sister. Continue deceiving yourself. Your mates are out there, working and taking care of their family. Come here, Zuzulupo. Go out there, even if it's mechanic or bricklaying. You know, you're lazy about.
Okay. Mama, I should go and start doing bakery. Me, a graduate.
Yes.
A graduate like me.
Continue sleeping.
Nah, so
Oh my
sorry.
God.
Continue sleeping.
Nah, so sorry. Who teach you that one? Hey, Jesus, graduate that saying it. See you now, Mr. Dreamer. You know where you are going, Mr. Noah. You know where you are going. You are a choosing generation. You know who you are. Are deceiving yourself, you don't know. Maybe by the time you give birth to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your last baby will not tell you who you are. Trust me. You are dreaming.
Let me tell you. You see this is a graduate. I'm a graduate. Graduate is not a title. Okay, Malokwa. Stay here. Keep dreaming above your destiny. Oh, you make you room, Nanya.
They have not shown you anything.
Like I said,
They have not shown you anything.
I know who I am.
You know who you are.
And I will not let your yabbing get to me. No, I can't do that. I know who I am. And I will get there.
You will be there waiting for who you are. Me, I will pass you. Because normally me, I know who I am. I have my own future and I'm chasing towards my future. You will be there. Me, I will chase my own and get there. I will not come and pay you with this seat.
Wham! Tell him!
Yeah, me, I will come and meet you and pass you.
I'm hungry.
Baba, this will son. Your shame is shaming me. Like, your shame knock me go tailor shop. Wear me abada. Better abada.
My shame dey shame you. No, wait, Dorcas, my shame so agbada wear you.
Yes.
My own shame.
Yes. And that English you are speaking, you should not be speaking it again. Let me tell you, Mr. Noah, you know who you are. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. If you are nobody today, you nobody tomorrow and forever.
So the one at the backyard. So fresh.
I didn't do it, you should like it. Have done.
Have done.
Let me go and look for what to eat. You see, I complained of hunger. You don't do anything. Now you are here eating groundnut with this wicked girl. No problem. It can only get better. Let me go and... It's fine.
Can only get better. By God's grace.
How about chocolate?
Mama. Hey. Look at this. Mama. Tell those people coming that I'm not around. In fact, tell them I've been missing for 2 days now. In fact, tell them 5 days that you've not seen me. Hide me.
What has he done this time?
What else? Maybe it's people that is owing.
Obiama Pugom.
Sorry, Mama.
Business.
Officer, this is the house. This is
the house.
Yes, this is where he lives.
Which house?
Good day, ma.
Madam, we are from the Nigerian Police Force. And we are looking for one Mr. Okunne. Okenna.
Yes, Okenna.
Okay. Is he home? And by the way, are you his mother?
Mother. Depends on what he did though. So you need to tell me first. Then I'll tell you whether I'm the mother or not.
Well, he's wanted at the station for OBT.
Who begin? OBT.
Obtaining by trick.
Yes. Deceit. Yahoo. He collected agent fee and full rent from this lady, promising to get her an apartment since last month. And he hasn't done that. And he has been avoiding her calls for over a week.
Okay, officers. Sorry about that. As you can see, I don't know exactly.
I'm officer. In fact, come with me. Just go there. You see this plantain? Just go behind the plantain. He's there.
You mean he's around?
He's so tell you that he's missing.
Check there.
Wanted to go and knock for him for a rata.
Officer! Come here! Move it!
Criminal.
Give me now, sir! Move it!
Give to me now.
Dorcas, you! Mama, don't let them carry me. You know I'm hungry. Mama, you know I'm hungry. Don't let them carry me.
Don't tell them that you have not eaten. Tell them that you have not eaten. He has not eaten.
I'm not eating. No, I'm not eating. Don't let me eat.
Uncle Kwano.
Why are you carrying the police? You know they get yourself.
What get
Agent.
full house rent?
I think when you collect money, yet you cannot buy food for yourself. You cannot buy food for the house.
You suffer for it.
Hey, what I beg you. Starting uncle with this one now.
No be small money, 250,000 naira. Hey!
So what are we going to do now?
250,000 no be today money, oh. No be today money, oh.
How do we get him out?
I want my guy, oh. I tell him. I say this one wey will carry this babe, go that vacant house. He reach there. The babe say he no like am. I tell am say make he return that money. You no return that money. Okay, now me and you dey talk now. Money no dey again. House we no see. No be
We are still
wahala.
saying the same thing. The deed has been done. How do we get him out? We need to secure his bail at least.
Okay, no problem. But you dey there when officers say in bail na 100,000. You no stop for there. Officer say he go get one shorty. You no stop there. He can't talk on top say he go get landed property. The shorty go get landed property. Even if I say make I come volunteer, Bella, where the land? Land I no get. Shit. Where I go use Bella? You know this.
So what exactly are you saying?
Huh?
In other words, what do you mean? Like, what are you trying to explain?
Now you won't put me for container. I don't understand the one will be in other words. I don't understand.
He's your very good friend. Your manest man. And I am very sure he used half of that money to buy drinks for you. I am sure.
Okay. My manners man no deny am. I be incorrect party. But you no be him babe. I dey sure say he go don carry you go the whole joint wey dey this town.
See, this is not why we are here. Let's look for something. Let's come up with something. At least we need to secure his bail so that he can come out and pay his debts.
You get point for there, Sha. If we raise 50k now, or maybe we raise like 30, like 50, you go get a long way now. Before then, they go feel release and make him come go, they find money.
Fine. I'll bring 20k. You, Uncle, how much will you bring?
You try, Sha. Oh, 20, Abi. You try, well. Try. 20 days, okay. You try. You try. You do well.
How much are you going to bring?
If you feel raise, step up small.
Okay, I'll bring 30k.
Oh, 30. You still try, well. You try. You try. 30. You do okay.
Now which kind person be this? Every day now wahala, one day one trouble. At least to make your family rest for your matter. Anyaya wala go so can happy we go. Which kind person be this? Okay, now find something to do. Instead of looking for trouble, here and there.
Okay, so that's it.
So, Dorcas, you can't greet, eh? You didn't see us here.
Who gave you the impetus to be calling my name? And who am I greeting? It's two of you. See, two of you. Two of you are the forces that have been holding my uncle. You are the forces that is making my uncle to be useless. You don't want him to be responsible in this life at all. Two of you.
Come, what did you just say, Dorcas? Who are you talking to? What did you just say?
I'm talking to both of you. I said you are the demons responsible for my uncle's uselessness. You don't want me to enjoy my responsible uncle. It's two of you.
Barigade.
Every day by day, one problem to another. Today is police case, tomorrow is vigilante, next tomorrow is a girl. Again, I will say, oh, he duped me, oh, I want my money, I will curse him, blah, 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 blah. No day we will not have peace in this house. No day will ever come and will have peace or drink water and drop cup.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking
Who are you talking to?
Angela,
me. I'm talking to both of you.
calm down. You never reach like that. Mpariga, that's an Mpariga. No problem.
Look at them, what belly people.
That's an Mpariga. Insult to Boku.
Every day, one person will take long.
Mama, good morning.
Tobias.
Ma.
Morning.
Good morning.
Nne. Morning, no. Hope all is well.
Ma, all is well, Sha. Now because of your picking, okay, and I make you come.
My dear, you have heard what happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Since yesterday, they locked him up. As you can see, I'm even taking this food to him.
Hey. Mama, that one day, but no be food matter be the issue. And not be waiting carry us come. Waiting carry us come now. Make we reason how one take bell and come out. Now make we come.
Okay.
Yesterday, we them they run around. They come say na 250,000. Now it dey owe the person. So we come check and say if we raise 50,000, go give police people. They go release and give us. Then if you come out, you go begin hustle. If you hustle, raise the balance, you go close the case.
How do you?
But Mama, me and two of us, we don't raise 30K. We don't raise 30K. So we can't say me will meet you, the mother, the mama, make you raise 20K. Join now. Then we will go.
Omaka.
We'll go Bella.
You said 250,000.
Yes, and we don't raise 30K.
30,000. Omaka. No. 250 minus 30,000.
That is 220. It's too much, oh.
Remaining.
Jesus.
Omaka.
Hey.
Now listen to me. You see me?
Yes, ma'am.
If you carry me up and throw me on the ground, bagam, 1 naira uployele will not come out. There is no single dime in this house. Or did Okenna tell you that he kept any money in this house? 1 naira uployele is not here. Anyway, I think I have a suggestion. Yes. Since the total amount is 250,000 naira, which I don't know where we'll see, it is better we discuss with those police people.
Okay.
That 250,000 naira, let them calculate the equivalent of the 250,000 to his days of stay in the police cell.
Good, yes.
Nice. That's the only way out.
Yes.
A beka 250 siapata.
Mbakwa.
By the time they calculate per day, maybe 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, let him spend it in the police cell.
Yes.
As soon as he completes, he will come out.
Nice idea.
Because I don't know where this money is coming from.
Mama, how can you say something like this?
Mama.
Okenna is your son. You cannot leave him to rot in the police cell.
I don't understand. Have I said anything contrary to what we are discussing here? We're still on the same page now. Am I denying my son?
Nah.
I'm not denying my son. He's my son. And you are his girlfriend. The love of his life. That is the thing. Sweet me, sweet you, who go pay? Are you no longer his babe? Ne. I have tried. Tomodogu. Dalungwam. I have tried. I gave birth to him, raised him till this age. Amaritam, continue from where I stopped. Oh, that is exactly what the thing is. Hey, carry your cross. They said, what love
cannot do
does not exist. There is nothing love cannot do. Oh, this matter is a matter of love. So it's okay. After rain, sun will start shining. Oh, this is a time for you to sow the seed, so you harvest later. I don't know. Will you now take the food to him?
Mama, don't give this one with pot belly. You will finish everything. Just give this one. Let's manage this one. Take the food now. You're keeping my mama's hand standing like this. Carry the food. Ha.
You're no longer in love with my son?
person be this? Every day now wahala, one day one trouble. At least to make your family rest for
Don't
your
forget the
matter.
agreement we've reached. You are to remit 30,000 naira to the police station every last Friday of the month until you clear your debt.
Officer, that one clear now. We understand.
If you default, you find yourself back in the cell. And if you cannot find him, we'll come for you as the shorty.
Officer, anyway, I get you. This my guy na peaceful human being. You know go wrong.
I hope so.
Yes, sir.
For your own interest.
Insurance cover am. Yes, sir.
I'll leave you people now. Just
no
go
problem.
with him.
No problem.
Ah,
Finally.
Opokope.
Na my guy.
So you mean my mother did not try to bail me from the police cell?
Na your male, eh? Her heart dey her back.
It's not even about your mother. It's about that your little niece. That girl is a witch. And I am very sure she's the one that convinced your mother not to do anything.
Yes. That little demon.
Nah.
That little demon.
Or the mobile me.
Hey, you know she was the one that showed the police where I was hiding.
Eh?
Yes, now. If not, they wouldn't have seen me now.
Hey!
She was the one that pointed that this is where I was. Neighbor.
Nah, man, I told them, Mabrugi.
That girl hates you. If you see what was coming out from her mouth, if you see the kind of things she was saying about you.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let me get home first. I will show them that I'm equally wicked. I will
correct.
tell them that I'm heartless like them. They allowed me to stay in that police cell for over 1 week plus. Me. No problem. All the mosquitoes was biting me. If you see what they beat me in that cell, boys is Zukule. Those boys, they were more than 15 boys. So Zukule and Kwam go.
But they beat you, your body fresh like this. Eh? But guy, you go don't miss up a copy by loud them.
Miss you how? Miss you how? Before do it, no way female. You. Nah, Papa, no, some okay job. Who make ten couple na door? You say chibu, you know, come, let's go home first.
He's back, oh. Back.
No.
Now, wow.
Nana, what? Nana, what? What did you not do?
What is it?
Snitchy!
Stop now. Calm down. What is it? Eh?
You little demon, what did you not do?
What did I do?
The other day I was hiding from the police. You were the one that pointed my hideout.
Why would I point now? Why would I point? How can you dupe somebody? You know how to give her money. You know how to give her apartment. And you expect me to keep quiet.
And what is your business with my
You
business?
cannot eat your cake and have it. You cannot scam somebody and expect me to keep quiet.
Mama, did you hear her? This girl is calling me a scammer.
Listen.
She's calling me a graduate, a scammer.
Calm down. Just came back. What is this thing? What is this thing? Eh?
Okay, no problem. You, I will deal with you in this house. You.
No, Stop. Ha. Hey, you know leave me alone now.
I will match you down. You. I don't even know how my sister, my late sister Dora, got pregnant. Today, me book a nonsense.
Don't say that.
You dare bring my mother into this case. Don't ever call my mother's name. Don't try it.
Stop that nonsense.
Rubbish in Kaka.
I said stop that nonsense. Don't say that about your late sister. Don't say that.
Mama, don't tell me that.
I will tell you that. I will not support you. Don't say that.
Okay.
Stop it.
Udodi, Ngwa.
Stop it.
Ngwa, Tokas.
Stop
Pack and
this.
go. I don't want you in this house again.
Pack and go where?
Pack and
Carry me,
go.
let me see.
Leave this house.
Pack
I
and
don't
go
want
where?
you in this house again.
She's going nowhere.
Mama.
This is her house. She is going nowhere.
Mama, this is
Pack and
my
go where?
father's house.
Your father's house.
This house is my inheritance.
Eh.
And I don't want Dorcas in this house again. Let her go. Go and look for her father.
And I will tell you that before you were born, this house has been in existence.
Eh?
She's going nowhere.
Mama Okodi.
In Okodi.
Oh.
What is your problem?
You have connived with this little demon against your son. Me, your own son. You don't even want to be selfish, Mama.
You're pointing at me. I can see that they gave you an injection in that police cell. Okay? How about Toto? And if that injection,
Mama, are you
don't push
serious?
me. You heard me.
Okay.
How could you say a thing like that to your
Fine.
late elder sister's daughter?
I don't know who she is. She should go and look for her father. She is not anywhere related to me. Her mother is dead.
I can see you have smoked again. Okay, it's ago.
Me?
It's ago.
Okay, in that case, everybody should leave this house. Including you. 2 of you should leave this house.
Who are the 2 of you?
I don't want anybody in this house again. Mama, Mama, this is my father's house.
And this is my house.
Eh?
This is my house. Don't you dare say it again.
Mama?
Come on, live here.
Okay, no problem. In fact, I want to sell this house. I want to sell it.
Try it and see.
Mama, I'm selling this
Try it
house.
and see. Sell the house and see.
This house is now for sale. Everybody should leave.
Sell all you can see.
Mama, this is my inheritance.
Your inheritance?
Yes, I want to sell it.
Your inheritance?
I have decided to sell it all.
Come and sell and let me see.
Mama,
come and sell and let me see. You go sell this house.
This house.
Sell all you can see.
Show me a bed.
Sell it.
Show me a bed.
Wait, how dare you? How dare you bet your own mother?
Mama, I will sell this house.
You don't have respect. You don't have respect.
I will sell this house.
You don't have respect.
What is it?
You.
I
will deal with you in this house. When I'm done with you, you will know that I am a conqueror.
You're a conqueror. I'm more than a conqueror.
In this house.
I am more than a conqueror.
You think it's my muscle?
If I think it's my muscle.
As you get muscle, you get strength. Come now.
Me.
Come.
If I think it's my muscle.
Come.
Because of you, I went inside cell. Mba cell. You.
Yes. I don't want to ever near for. Can you imagine? Please don't listen to him, don't mind him. This is your house. You belong here. What do you call it?
I don't understand.
They gave him injection in that
They gave him Igbo injection inside his skull.
This is more than Igbo.
There is no food in this house. There's no food in this house.
Your son.
Hey, Mama, there's no food in this house.
Come and eat me. Come and eat.
Okay, not your TV and man.
Where you stay? Did I give you food? Did I give you homemade food?
How can you Zenka?
No gratitude. No second.
Now listen to me. I am your grandmother.
Yes.
This is your house. You belong here. Don't ever allow whatever he's saying to you get to you. Okay, Nania?
Yes.
I don't want to see you become emotional one bit. On Apala. What's the thing about Neko? Nsubikono.
Okay, now which kind person be this?
My guy, hope say you don't tell your people say that your papa house dey for sale. Because like this, on action oga buyers dey stand by. I dey tell you.
Obokope?
My G.
See, let me tell you something. Forget about my mother and that little chinchi, that little demon, and bring buyers. Bring buyers, can you solo on now?
Now that time you go know say money they stop nonsense. When money talks, when bullshit works.
Confirm. Or if trading now.
Now what for you?
This is what I want to be here.
Now what for you?
Just
the plan to they go abroad. Like this, the money.
See, you know that my father's house is an olden days house. All now Rumboche.
Yes, now. I'm cement.
I don't know now since 1967. During the war.
Imagine.
So all the materials they use for that house is authentic, solid. So all Emalifi na wa agent.
Buyer now. Or agent Ibe now.
Obro like 10 million.
Eh?
Now 10 million. 10 million. I will Jacoba.
You go to talk of 5M now. Which one be 10 million? If not 10 million now, we don't hammer now. Money don't dey bank now.
Ha! 5 million.
Now, just small money like this make you at least make you come out go city. Come out go city or even small abroad.
No, me I no fit go small abroad though. Ha! My dream is very big. Me I want to go to Canada.
Eh?
And I can just say Canada. Nke zubo. Okay, high grade though.
Our wife.
What's happen? You know what's in bed? That's all we do. What's happen? All the key are I go gish. You carry this one. Almost this one high grade though. Jesus.
Our wife. Ha!
Okay, be useful
It's not
yourself now.
I swear, it's nothing.
Yes, it's nothing.
Okay,
Big wait now, big wait. Sorry, I'm sorry. Ndo, I'm sorry. Biko.
Okay, now. How many times have I warned you? How many times have I told you to stop living this life you're living in this village? Odiroma is not good. If you're not under the tree, you're on top of the tree. You're at one joint, smoking, puffing smoke like a leaking exhaust pipe. Or them,
My bad.
Why are you disgracing me in this village? Is it good?
My bad. It's okay. My bad. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Baalum. Biko. Baalum, I'm sorry.
Even that your friend Tobias. I have said it over and over again. If they broke, all they broke. Two of you are broke. Two broke men cannot help each other.
Are you reminding me that I'm broke? No. You are reminding me that I'm broke. It's all right. But you see that Tobias? He's my friend. Yeah. He's a very good friend of mine. He's a man of wisdom. Obokope then I'm okay. You know he's the only friend I have in this village. Yes. So I don't want you to look down on him. He's valid, active. And about the smoke. You know the smoke is helping me to keep my body and soul together. Yes. If not for the Igbo, I for don't crazy so. I dey tell you, the frustration is too much. If you won't come snap me on and wear, maybe you got there aware, or maybe sinazu. See me now, a graduate like me, but I'm here frustrated in the village doing nothing. Like as I am like this, I'm frustrated, I'm downcasted, like I'm devastated. What's the now water? For real. So that smoke say like this, like two tap or chocolate brain more.
So even as you're talking, Keta, are you reasoning well? Is your back gone even with the smoke? Is your back gone? You're still not reasoning well.
If I smoke finish, I know they marry. I know they do anyhow.
You're still not making progress. Is your back even with the smoke? You can't back up. See, listen, okay. I want you to be better. I want you to be better for me, for everybody.
Okay.
You're a graduate. Look for something and be doing in this village. Stop disgracing me. I don't like it.
What kind of work? Like, what?
Look, Uncle. There are so many works in this village that young men do.
Babe.
For one.
You're beginning to sound like my mother. I hope you are not advising me to go and start doing bricklaying job.
That one is not bad though. Bricklaying, no Makano. It's better than being a rascal in this village. You can start with that one,
Bricklaying job, all cement. A graduate like me? Babe, you of all people knew that I graduated from Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Esutight, with second class upper. I was almost at first class, but I missed one course. And you want me to start doing bricklaying job? No, this is finish. You've seen me finish.
It's okay, but we are still saying the same thing.
Saying what?
Okay, fine. You can bring keke. It's more honorable. Yes, you can start driving keke.
I should start driving keke. Babe, now that keke ain't go give you ride to your destination. Me, keke. Keke will give you a ride. Me, keke. Even you have seen me finish. It's alright. It's okay. No. It's alright.
It's okay.
It's obvious I'm boy alone.
It's not.
Nobody's with me.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah.
I'm boy alone.
Sorry.
No. Me, keke.
It's okay now. It's
finished.
It's okay. It's not what I need.
My own babe.
It's okay.
Keke.
It's okay.
I should be doing. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
I will go. I will shock all of you. It's in this village. I will make it big. See, my money is coming up. It's on the way. Well, I will go. Uncle, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Okay, now. I want you to tell me the truth. Did you ask your mother and your niece to vacate the house? I am asking you. Vacate to where, Kwano? Don't you realize that in the absence of your father, you automatically assume the position of the head of this house?
Aha, Uncle, thank you very much. Now you make a point. You just hit the nail on the head. I am the leader of this family. I am the man of the house. I need you to tell my mother and that little witch to know this and know peace.
Keep quiet. That position is for responsibility, not rascality. It means taking care of your mother and your niece. It means bringing peace to the household. And
okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's fine. Uncle, I've heard what you said. It's okay. Just calm down. Okay? Calm down. I hereby sentence peace in this family to death by hanging. No more peace. Everywhere I have read, though, Uncle.
Now you're not showing me muscle.
There is war now.
Okay, you wake up, Bobby.
Uncle, there is war. You need to be careful with me. Yes, because I am dangerous now. I am serious. Uncle, be careful with me. We shall see what? We shall see what? This is my father's house. My inheritance. Don't teach me what I know. But my happiness is a disease. Let them vacate from this house. What nonsense. Telling me again. There is war now. Anybody that needs to hear should hear it though. There is war in this family now. No coordination anymore.
Dorcas, I understand how you feel. But let me tell you. You see your uncle, he cannot do more than a dead rat. Not when I'm still here. Or draw possible. Biko, I beg you. Stop challenging him. Allow me to handle him. Biko, don't forget, no matter what, he's still your uncle.
So, Mama, wait. Does it mean that truly he has the right to this house? Over me, over us?
According to our custom and tradition, when your grandfather, my husband, died, this house automatically passed to Okenna. As the only son and the only surviving child. Don't be afraid. This house belongs to my husband, your grandfather. And that makes it my house. All right?
So what if something happens to you? Like, God forbid, let's just imagine or assume that something happens to you in the future. What will that be of me? You will throw me out. Mama, why you go do this kind of things to me? See, I should leave me for this evil word. Leave me for this kind of wicked word. Ain't nobody they look my face. I just they form strong woman. They form out of a tiger. Meanwhile, inside I they die. I don't say I need to fight. I don't say I need to fight because if I don't fight, these people go chop me. I want to start to fight. Who give me power? Where the power I get? He give me magic. He just bump person throw where I'm they go. When I want die, when I go just bump person leave I'm they go. Just they go. Why you not carry me follow body? I need to fight these people because if I don't fight, Tuesday again, I need to do something. Now, where you don't need me now, if now you day here, what you go do? What will be the next option like this? Because me, I'm lost. I don't know where to start. Where I want to start. If now you day here, just tell me what you want, what you go do. Now start the do one. What you go do?
How are you, little one? Okay. Is your uncle around?
What do you have with my uncle?
Listen up. You don't have to be rude. I'm your uncle's girlfriend.
You're my uncle's what?
I mean, we are in a relationship.
You are not in a relationship with my uncle. Let me correct that impression. You are in a situationship with my uncle. That's simple. Yes. You are thinking, okay, where is the ship sailing you to? Where? You are in a situation with no future, no direction, no hope, no destination, and you call it relationship.
You?
If you think that truly you are not the Delilah in my uncle's life that is ruining his life, what are you doing in this situation? Somebody that you know that clear, you know they get himself at all. Now you now want to come and stay there. What are you gaining there? What are you getting from him? That should be number one question. Now is it not better for you to leave him so that he will concentrate and focus? Let's know if he will get himself back. At his age, he's not getting anything, he's not focused, he does not have anything to show. Leave him alone so that he will come back to his senses. Let's know if he is the one that is doing himself or if you are the one that is doing him.
I don't blame you. Yes, I blame myself for standing here to speak to a merchandised church rat like you. Okay, Belgium? Nonsense.
At least I succeeded in chasing you out. Because sometimes it's not good to just be nurturing their berries. Just be giving it to them. They will live. They will live freely. Let me see you here again.
From there. Yeah. Oh, let us go. Let me show you now.
And that's what we talk.
Down.
Wait up here. Eva.
Look here. So everywhere.
See,
here, including here, even the living and the non-living things, they are all for sale. Everything. Reach to that ending. Everywhere good and nice. Wow. My father built this house since 1967. Immediately my father died, I became the inheritor. He's still strong and mighty. Yeah,
So, Mr. Okina, you are sure this is your house?
This is my father's house, my house.
And you have the documents, original, correct paper.
Yes, everything is intact.
Can you show these papers so can finalize and make the payments?
Boss, we will not waste time.
Just hold on, wait a minute. Let me get it inside.
No, you know what?
coming down. Will soon come out.
This is sunny land of the thing. It's very serious. He has gone to bring the document. And why are you not shaking? I'm not even looking worried at all.
Dorcas, if he wants to sell the house, let him sell the house. I'm not bothered. But by the way, why are you not worried? It seems you have a plan.
Well, you know that you can never see the document.
Are you sure this house dey legit? Because these people now go dey here.
Wait, I want to ask you.
They know they talk. They just
they don't even mind us.
This knowledge.
Nothing just bring paper, shall we think concern us?
Once you bring the paper.
Yeah? Once you bring paper, nothing concern us.
Hey, please be coming down. Honor,
But it's taking long.
maybe there's no light inside. He's using his phone light. Yeah?
Where your guy now? Waiting they happen.
Okay, what is going
It's
on?
taking too long now. The thing Oji there's I cannot see.
No, he's coming. He's coming.
He's coming, he's coming. We've been here almost 30 minutes. He's coming.
He will soon bring the documents.
This week I'm not serious. Is he holding stick? Is it not to bring documents? I don't understand this people. Why not? It's taking too long, man. Guy, these people look serious. Let's leave it.
But he told you that he's coming now. Dorcas! Dorcas!
Do you have the documents?
I'm coming, just maintain
Now
calmness.
this guy, maintain with no more. When you're serious,
Wait, now, wait, I am coming.
No, when you're serious, guy, let's go. When you have the documents,
I'm
you
coming.
don't get to meet us. When you
Dorcas, what have you done? No, what have you done? Where is the document?
Who document? Mama.
Where is the house document?
Which house document? Which house document?
Mama, tell her to come bring my clients are waiting for me. I need to settle them.
Who is stupid client? Who is stupid client? Eh?
Mama, what is this now?
Hello, man.
My business partners are here. I need to settle them so that they can go. Now, all of that. Mama, tell this girl, where is the house document? I'm coming. Let me get you. I will deal with you.
Don't try me.
Mama, tell her to bring out those documents.
Which document can I do?
Mama, what is it now? Okay, Mama, Butu.
You see that thing? Butu again. That thing you want, I'll give it to you.
Mama, let us let this house and be useful. Can't wait to make them Lulu. Dorcas! Dorcas!
What?
What is it?
Oh.
Eh? Okay, now. Oh, so get the Igbo. Ask him, so get the Igbo can I do?
Okay, forget you. Where is the house document?
Come and take it, let me see.
What is wrong with you?
Eh? Agent Tibe! Agent Tibe, come! Tibe, come!
Leave me alone now. No. Come outside.
Ibe mo.
Because you know so. You
You
know what? You be what up, Wanya?
Now which kind person be this?
You think you are the only one that knows how to smoke?
They want trouble.
Eh?
At least to
Of
make
the work how they
your
work, yeah?
family rest for
Oh, so
you.
you against that? It's a chalo.
Happy we go for you. Now which kind person be this? Okay, now find something to do. Instead of looking for
Mama, you
trouble,
charge me.
There is something you need to tell me.
Hey, I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say.
You will tell me I'm
I don't
suspecting
have
you.
anything.
okay, now which kind person be this? Na na na. Ayo, mother no mama, no.
Mama, why is this girl keeping us waiting? Dorcas! 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 Okwefo. Okay. Usobadro, we are here for peace. I call this meeting in the respect of peace. Kudochia. No one can hear you so well, me. Kawan Malawania, or Yamaloya, Ebilia Makwan Ebilia. So, uncle, I want you to tell this girl to bring out the house document wherever she's hiding it. Let her bring it out. Because why I'm saying this is that I have my own case, so I come normally. Tell her to bring out the house document. Oh.
Burn it down. What are you waiting for? Burn the building down. Burn it down.
I should burn it down.
Burn it down now. What do you need? Lighter or fuel? Eh? Are you okay? Why are you accusing her? Did you give her any document to keep for you? Did you? In a church, don't worry.
Uncle, you see?
Eh?
Uncle, no.
Did you see her with any document or something? Uncle, you see?
My own mother has joined forces with this little demon to steal the house document. No problem. My own mother, oh. You are watching us, God.
Shame on you. You think I don't know your plan? Eh? You want to sell this house so you see money to smoke Igbo and drink that your nonsense. Eh? I pity your liver. Until your liver falls out. That is when you learn.
Ozugo, it's okay. It's okay, Ozugo.
Chelono. You've been talking and talking. Let us hear from the horse's mouth.
Ozugo!
It is okay.
Ozugo! Anytime I smoke, do I used to misbehave?
Okay.
I used to be myself.
It's okay.
Boy
It's
alone,
okay.
on my own.
It is okay. Yeah, Dorcas. Biko, are you with the house document?
Charlie.
Okay, now, are you sure she's with the document?
Uncle, she's the one with it. She stole it, in fact.
Are you sure?
Uncle, I am sure now.
So,
I know what I'm
wait,
telling you.
Do you have evidence?
See, let me tell you something. Uncle Kena. Let me tell you something you don't know. You see this giddy giddy gada gada gada. No matter how weighty an elephant can be or thinks he is, elephant cannot cause earthquake. No this and no peace.
Uncle, this girl now drop say man, you are dropping proverb for men. Eh? What is the meaning of that nonsense you just said?
The meaning of it is that this war that you just started now, I'm going to help you and end it.
Oh, you end this war.
Yes.
Okay, you war with me.
Yes.
I should bet you. I should bring your hand. Bring your hand. What is you? I will deal with you.
I will deal with you. You see this war, I'm going to give it to you. No, bring it on now. Bring it on. This is your team. I'm going to end it for you. This they don't even know me as someone that is stuck to me. I'm not a showmaker. Okay. I am war itself. Bring it on.
Okay, you give me war.
Yes.
Me, Dorcas.
Bring it
Dorcas,
on.
you are ready for me. Dorcas.
You see this nonsense? Okay. Eh?
Uncle, you heard everything. No, it is clear now. She want to war with me. Dorcas. The little Dorcas.
Man. You see this nonsense? Eh? You brought it upon yourself.
How? What did I
Working
do?
at how? You woke up one morning and told this girl that she does not have a place here. That she does not belong here.
She does. Let her get married.
That is why you have the right to tell her that she does not belong here.
She should get out.
Get out.
I don't care.
From where? Whose house? Whose house? Whose house, Kanajo?
Mama, this is my house. Oh. This is my inheritance. How come I have the first son? The only son. I'm the only child.
Then who am I?
Mommy Kebo.
Mommy Kambo. You are the only son of where? Then you are a son and you remain a son. This is my house. I'm your mother. Now, because excuse me. And I Paula. Mama Kalian Bawu.
I go on cinema for him. Okay. So Mpanaka, don't worry. I will deal with you. Uncle, you can't make me who are. You saw it yourself. Dorcas, little Dorcas. I know how to handle her. No problem. Dorcas, I know how to handle her.
Yeah, okay now. What has come over you? Huh? Is there something wrong with you? This house is your father's house. Yes, it's your inheritance. Yes. But is that why you should chase everybody out of the house? Let's leave Dorcas out of this. So you want to chase your mother out of her husband's house? Are you okay?
Uncle, this is my father's house. I am the only child, so this is my inheritance. I want to use the house now. Let me sell it. I want to go and hustle. Is it when I get old, then I'll start hustling? Let me use what I have now to get what I want. I want to sell this house. When I come back, I will build another house.
Okay, now. You want to sell this house?
Yes.
And go and hustle and make money. And come and build another house in this same land. Or you can hear in this or Bago Guinness. Okay, let me break this down to you. Your mother has the right as you have in this house. In fact, she has the right to sell this house while you are still living inside of it. Look, my candid advice is this. You better go and look for something meaningful to do with your life than staying here to look for your father's inheritance to destroy a house and build. Nah. It's a Uncle,
me, I don't know. I don't know what you are saying. My own is that I will sell this house and use the money to better my life. So you better tell them to bring out the house document. Else, I will burn down this house.
You want to burn down this house? Okay, now. Okay, now, listen to me. It is only when the mosquito perches on a man's testicle that he will understand that there are some issues they treat in calmness. Okay?
Uncle,
listen to me. Listen to me.
My testicles, they're in order.
I
will sell this house.
You want to burn it?
I will burn it.
This night. Burn it. I will come back tomorrow to see the ashes of the house. You know? Burn it down.
Uncle, I will burn the house down.
You know?
Are you telling me, sir? You better tell them to bring out the house document, because why are they going
trouble? At least to make your family rest for your matter.
You are putting me through all these ones, but
happy we go run for you. Which kind of person be this? Okay,
like this, Orejigokwa 1-0. Your male and your niece, they knock you better 1-0. And if care is not taken, it will be 2-0.
I swear they took me by surprise.
Makachi.
But no wahala na uflo. Then go feel am. I go show them say na me be man of the house.
Anything wey you want to do am quickly. My problem be say if you dey vex like this, you go just dey drop lines. They give your enemies vibes, and your enemies go dey watch you. They grab them. Before you know it, they go use that your vibes take launch counter attack. Before you know it, na another goal.
No be lie, no be lie. If you say I no tell them say I wan sell that house, they for no know.
How they want take know? And this is me now. And they make onye.
And you go talk.
Now you go talk.
And you go talk again.
No talk. Make we know our level.
These people they just dey plan me. I mean they give them hint where they say they plan me.
Yes, now. We need to come out for this village now with wisdom. So you go dey talk less, they act more. Make they no use that your lapses. Take knock you another one just as they did now.
I swear the team pay me. I don't go lie you. By now for they uptown.
Yes, now.
They do well.
I swear.
Hi.
Makachi.
He pay me. He pay me well. I swear. He pay me. But on all now.
I will throw now. I will throw.
We there now.
What if you just even do self? If you even tell them say you won't do renovation for that your papa house. Say make they enter village. Before you know it now, you don't strike your deal. By the time when they go know how far, one day in no city.
Abi.
In no city. On me.
Don't be lie, oh.
On me.
But guys, see, make I tell you. My mama go know. If like say no my male, oh.
Abi.
My male na guy, aroba.
Na guy man. Na guy man.
See, make I tell you. You see my mama?
My
mama go know say I no get money to renovate the house. You know no.
Na true.
Na guy she be now.
Na true. But you are the one now.
Instead of looking for trouble,
I'm a copy there now.
Okay, natural TV and many no go. Yeah, okay, find something to do in. Okay, now which kind of person be this? I don't know my mother, no my child. Okay, now be useful.
What is going on? Ogenekwa, you did not see us.
I saw you people now.
Open the door now.
Open which door? Hey, Mama, you see this house? This house is on lockdown. Yes, this padlock is locked till further notice.
I don't understand.
Till all the pending issues in this house are settled.
Is this madness or what? Okay, me pay
Moi, me pay Uzon and I'm Eko.
Like, what do you call this in English?
Do you know English? Do you know any English?
Give me the key.
Mama, I will not give you the key. Mama, leave me. I will not give you the key. I've locked this house. Yes. Pay this chinchy, this little demon to bring out the house documents. Tell her. She knows what to do.
That's so disrespectful. You're a prodigal son. So your own mother should stand under the sun.
Give me that. You see you. I will deal with you.
Give me that.
Mama, leave me. Leave me alone.
You're such a prodigal son.
Yes. I have the key and I'm going out. I have an important meeting to attend to.
So your mother should stand.
Don't shout for.
Your own mother should stand. Your mother should stand. Your mother should stand. That's so disrespectful. Yeah, such a big moron.
Enter the house now. Let me see.
Mama, you bullshit though. You bullshit. Come and meet me. Let me see you.
Okay.
You don't have respect at all. I pity you. Look at him,
Enter the house now.
You want to burn, you want to burn, you want to burn. What do you want to burn? Bouncing baby boy. This one is a baby boy, not bouncing. Look at him.
How do I explain to people that this is my only child? My only son. Onye ka mmejo.
Yawa. Yawa.
Mr. Wadro, just calm down. He had just locked himself outside. I know exactly what to do.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Yeah, please, I'm looking for the health center.
Oh, okay. Just move down straight. Okay. You take your right. Okay. Straight down again. There you will see a green building, white and green. That's the healthcare center.
Okay.
Yes, just straight.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Hope.
Please. You have to go, please. Just go.
I'm playing with screen now.
What's the meaning of this madness?
I should be asking you what is the meaning of this madness. Who is that person?
And how is that your business, Okenna?
It is my business, because you are my own. Yes, if there is anything I don't joke in this life. You see my father's house? No, I can never joke with it. So it is my business. I will marry you.
Who? No, did you even bring cola nuts? Let's leave cola nuts. Did you even bring bitter cola and break it on my head? Not to talk more of wine. On wine man you bute.
Okay,
how did you own me?
Yes,
Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself, Okenna. Honestly. No, look at you. If you want to go and hit the car. Okenna, police is chasing you up and down. Everywhere in this village, police in Achoge. 30,000 naira, the month end is near. You've not gotten 30,000 naira to pay your debts. Your niece is there at home calling me Delilah. Your mother, the same thing. All because of you, they say I'm the cause of your uselessness. How am I going to go and be an Achori Bauru? Now, if you go motor, you're gingered. This energy you want to use and pursue that car. Okay, now use that energy. Pursue money. Get it and go and pay. Go one the police over. Can happen actually. Use this same energy and make money. Or so again, so. Now look at you, poor man. Oh. Poor man's pride. Hey. Poor man is always quick. On our girl, you're always quick to break something you don't know the amount. A man go on earlier, but you want to break it. You've not settled the police case. You want to add another one on top of it. Okay, now go and make money. Jackie, but so use that energy and make money. You should be ashamed of yourself. In our moto, who is that? Hey, see, let me tell you. I'm already having a rethink. I'm having a rethink if I should continue this relationship. So also wagi ije go sorogi zuzube.
Now which kind person be this?
Babe,
every day
now
one day one trouble. At least to make your family rest for
what I know is that it can only get better. Nah, that one no concern me. See that man? No even.
Okay, now find something.
Nah, my babe just tell me
instead of looking for trouble here and there. Okay, now try TV and many no go. Yeah, we can find something to do in. Okay, now which kind person be this? Na na na. Mother no my mother no lo cha cha. Okay, now be useful to yourself. Na na na.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Yeah? Who is there?
Mama, it's me.
You who?
It's me, Okenna.
What do you want?
Mama, come and open door for me.
Open which door? I thought you locked us outside. Now we are inside and you are outside.
Wait. Did you change the padlock?
Which means you are now sober enough to reason properly. Opia? Okay. You have seen it. You can change to your own lock. That is if you have the money. Bia, don't hit on that door again. We are trying to catch some sleep.
Mama, come and open this door for me now. I don't have time to. I'm stressed. Come and open this door.
It's okay that you're stressed. Just go and look for where to sleep because you see that door, I will not open it. So there is no need. The earlier the better.
Mama, I should sleep outside.
Sleep inside.
Mama, forget Kobo. Cold will enter my body.
Let it enter. I have warned you.
Mama, come and open this door. Mama. Dorcas! Mama! Hi! Oh! Hi! Mama and Dorcas, they have beaten me once again. They have beaten me again.
Akunle. Bia.
Maybe they are inside eating jollof rice as usual without me.
Just like that.
Nah, Mama, go steady. They have been stabbing me.
Yeah, They will be stabbing you.
The story.
Oh, yeah.
Very wicked people. Nah, Mama, go. You see. Then my mother, somebody who's supposed to be my mother. Okay.
where you going? Go back. Let me go inside.
Okay, now calm down. Okay, now calm down. Okay, now calm down. Calm down. Okay, now calm down. Good one. Calm down.
Inside where?
Calm down. Good one.
Anna, yeah, put nonsense.
They know, mom. Just they go to mom.
We'll get
My elders, you see? She just locked the door and put the key in her brazier, inside her breast.
Hey. Welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. Akune, your son here brought a complaint to us that you want to take his inheritance from him. And right before our own very eyes here, you lock the door and put the key inside your brain.
Amadi,
hey!
Just wait. Let me put this in.
What is it?
What is it?
Chalo. Keep on.
This boy, okay, now woke up one early morning and told his mother and his niece to vacate the house that he want to sell it.
Okay, now.
Do you think I'm paying? Listen, he even brought buyers to buy the house. And unfortunately, the document he needed got missing. Then he blamed Dorcas of taking it.
You mean Obere Dorcas?
The niece. Where they are?
Okay, now. Is it true?
No. Is it true?
Ifuge, are you seeing it?
Oh. I see it is true. Akunne, one thing at a time. He said you no longer give him food in this house. And now you lock him out.
My elders, you all know the saying that says, when your child becomes a snake, you will tie it around your waist.
No, I'm not a snake. I'm a snake.
You see him, my so-called son, has become an iron condemned.
Hey!
Condemned iron.
Me, iron condemned.
And I'm so ready to sell him to Ndiabuki.
Hey!
Me, iron condemned.
Yes. Iron condemned.
Give one. Yes. Do you know that this boy, if for this irresponsible boy, this boy locked me out yesterday.
Okay, now. Is it true?
He locked us out yesterday. Myself and Dorcas.
Okay, now. Is it true that you locked them out?
Yes. Oh. My elders, you all know that I'm the first son. In fact, I am the only surviving child of my parents, my father. And this house is my inheritance. As the only child. You are right on this. So I locked them out because they took the house document. Dorcas, that little demon, she was the one that took it, and my mother backed her up. See, let me say this. So, you see this house? It will not contain any of us. If they do not bring out the house document, I will burn this down.
Hey! Your inheritance. Your inheritance. You will burn it down. Oh.
Akunne, first thing, you must allow him access to this house. Because this is his father's house. This is his inheritance. Yes. This is his home. Allow him access.
My elder, you are with me.
Hey. Odima. My elders, I've heard you. Okay. I've heard you. Of course, I know this is his house. Nobody is disputing that. And I'm as well his mother. Okay? Yes. Oh yeah. But I'm also a part of inheritance one. I will give him access to this house.
That would be good.
But on one condition.
And
he's going to refund me 15,000 naira.
Bam!
That was the amount I used to replace this new lock. Yes.
15,000 for padlock.
Secondly, secondly, in terms of feeding, I will no longer feed him.
Obago.
He's a grown-up.
Bam.
Let him go and walk. Obago. No more food for him in this house. Yes. He's big enough to feed himself. Yes.
My elders, you see that my mother baroba.
Oh, give me baroba.
Man baroba.
Give me baroba.
I don't want 15,000. I don't want padlock. Okay, but Central Bank of Nigeria.
That is the only way he will have access.
Enatona, boy, enato.
Mbaba.
Biabanya.
Na bem. Nothing at all.
I don't have a mother.
I don't have a son.
It is obvious I don't have a mother. I am motherless.
I disown you.
I don't have a mother.
I am sonless.
She's not my mother.
I am sonless.
I am born a boy alone.
So, you give her motherless, you give her sonless.
I am boy alone.
Yes.
I don't have mama.
Yes. How can it be a car?
Nah, you heard what your mother said. Just look for the money and give to her for the padlock so that you gain access. I want you to gain access into the house.
She no got me. I don't have money. 1 naira I don't get. If you throw me upside down now, 1 naira you will not see. Nothing will come out.
And as for the documents of the house, where is the dockers, by the way?
That's him there. This one here.
Mr. Okenna, you will have to come with us to the station.
Officers, I promised to remit month end now. The month has not ended already.
We are not here for that. We have reasons to believe that you pose great danger to Mrs. Akunne, your mother, and by extension, this young girl.
Officers, please, don't be misled. I don't know what this little demon came to the station and told you people. I didn't do anything, no, for real.
We believe you have strong motive to harm your mother, and you will follow us to the station to sign an undertaking.
Hey, no, now, this is intimidation.
Mr. Konna.
You have to move.
Come with us.
You
need to come with us. Move. Move.
My friend, move the gas.
Officer, take it easy.
Mama,
be calm.
I will deal with you.
Oli, you say you will deal with me.
I will deal with you, Lisa. My head, my head.
You're threatening her.
My head. If I don't pop you,
We are coming. We are coming. We are coming. You go. I said we are coming.
How can she call police for him? How?
I don't know. I'm even shocked. I'm not aware of it.
You're not aware? But it's better. It's better. What the more?
I don't know.
Only if you come out to that. I'm here.
I want to enter inside. I said I want to enter inside the house.
15,000 naira.
Which 15? I don't have money. I don't have money.
Mama, like he said, he does not have any money. She cover, you know, get. Even for the police station where we go. Now beg, now you take come out. No be by gym, no be I dey go gym, you go carry muscle. No be my muscle. When problem hits you, you go mellow. Whether you like it or not. You don't change like this now, your head don't calm down. They don't already calm down and you don't sign undertaking.
Did he include that he will give me my 15,000 naira inside the undertaking? Is it included?
No. But Mama, he cannot do anything again. He has changed. At least for now, he's calm. Let him go and pour water on his head and go and sleep.
This one is calm. Onya the calm.
Think back.
Let him sit there at least for 2 hours. Let me confirm it.
Okay. Oh yeah, Mama said you should sit on the floor for 2 hours. Let her confirm it. Now they say I should monitor you. Mama said you should sit down. Sit on the floor. Fast.
Abonya, this is not the calm, you see. And you said it's calm. Look at the way he's shaking his legs.
Let me just rest my back. Let me just rest my back here first.
Okay, please come. Mama said you should not talk.
In my own father's house.
Mama said you should not be talking. You should shut up your mouth.
You just acted like a wise man. This was what was expected of you all this while, to come and seek counsel. You know, you are just like a man in a river with soapy foam in his eyes. By the way, do you really want to sell that house?
Yes, my elders. I'm selling off that house. I want to use the money to forge on with my life. I need to enter uptown to elevate myself. I cannot remain here. It's for peace, oh. Not like now, maybe in the house now. No, it's to better my life.
No problem. I can even help you get a buyer.
Good and fine.
But listen very carefully. I want you to play the fool. Play like a fool. And pretend as if you have given up the idea. While we press quietly for them to produce the house documents.
Bam! Aye, you get it. Hey, Mazio Korea.
I should play like the fool. I should pretend. Slow, slicky.
Discuss social intelligence.
Wisdom.
You have said it all.
Yes.
You have said it.
But I must strike, oh.
You will. You know, just as your mother does not have the right to seize what belongs to you, you have no right to chase her out of the house. Just pretend. When the documents are in your hands, you strike.
See, let me add to it. Okena. Okena.
My elder.
How many times did I call you?
3 good times.
3 good times.
Yes.
You see that house? It is your inheritance. Your inheritance. When I say your inheritance, that is what the house is. So, what you will do, go to the house, pretend like nothing has ever happened. Just pretend. And do not let them play you again. No. You know what I mean?
It will not happen.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
I
understand.
It's clear. So for now, pretend. Give them something else to worry about.
I'm active.
So that their mind will move adrift.
Share our brain. Don't worry.
Don't forget to use your inheritance. Use it to sing.
I will pretend. Slow, slicky.
Okay. It is called social intelligence.
That is it.
Be useful to
You don't go understand. That's the way they pressurize me. I tell you, my hands were tied. My hands were tied.
Your hands were tied.
I swear that.
No, wait till you go tell me your hands were tied.
I swear.
Your guy, I put you call, I tell you as they be. I lap your hammer for that 00 hour. For that 00 hour, Okope. I say make you shield me. Make you cover me. Bro, see as they be. But you lose guard me. You be your guy. You tell me say you be my guy.
You no go
understand. You fuck up.
You no go understand. You no go understand. Yeah? Okay. Just hold on, man. Come.
Then you say, Okopiama come knock you.
See,
you got the
man give you low down. You know say, person no go know wetin dey pass through. You go come dey talk of points. Now who no get accommodation problem? No go understand. See, for that my uncle house why there, I dey see premium suffering. No 001 my uncle dem dey give me. 001. The day there they talk.
you know the seafood chop.
Guy, na 001. Sometimes even the 001 na over the bar. I no go see food chop, e go be 000.
It's Obokope. Then still they feed you. Like they are still feeding you.
Sometimes you know they even balance. I go count the zeros, 3 zeros. Now I dey tell you now, you no understand. You no understand.
Which Obokomako.
Okay, now be useful to yourself. Hey, okay, now this and that. Okay, now.
Hello, beautiful.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Don't tell me you haven't still found the healthcare center.
Oh, I've found it. Okay. But what I haven't found since that day is your beautiful face. So how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
You see, the last time we met, your hot-headed boyfriend didn't allow me get your name and your number. So what's the name?
I'm Angela.
Angela. What a beautiful name you've got there.
Thank you.
So can I have your contact?
That won't be necessary.
Why?
You're married. Why should I?
Oh, come on. Look around. Good men are scarce. So don't lose one because I already have a wife. Let me have your contact. Oh, your boyfriend is here.
What is that supposed to be?
Baby, calm down now. I came to see you. My love.
I'm all ears. What is it?
My baby. You are my oxygen, oh. I swear. Without you, I no feel breathe. I no feel live without you. See, like this, you are my leader. 100. But very soon, I go lead you. No worry now. My guy, Portadus, don't put me call from Turkey. Tell me, say, make I no worry. Say everything go better. Every currency tell me, say, Bobby, make I calm down. Say everywhere go still good and nice. So my men na kasu go di mobi, home and that way. So relax for me, what him? Okamakakwanga jigi. I know what you dey like na. Go na.
Okay, now leave me.
Mbute go na. Okay, from boutique na. If you need to give me a level, I swear. You can guard the corner.
Okay, now there is no smoke without fire. Please go straight to the point. I will leave this place. Kayo, what do you want?
Wait, just calm down. Butu now. Why are you being so harsh on me? Calm down now. It's your boy, you.
Months don't they end, Abby? You're looking for money to settle your police matter, Abby?
That one are the third reason we carry me come here.
Let me hear your first reason then.
Babe, I want to make you move in with me to our house.
Hey, okay, man. You want me to move in with you?
Yes.
In your father's house? The same house your mother and niece, who can't even stand me, live.
Babe, see, you just made the point now. This is it. See, I want you to move in with me so that it will look like I'm responsible enough. I know truly, in actual sense, I'm old enough to keep a woman. You understand? Let it be like I'm responsible enough to keep a woman in the house. So that you can checkmate them. Like, I want you to watch my back, be my eyes. Let us see them before they see us.
just when I was upgrading you, thinking that you have little sense. You just proved that you're daft. You don't think. So, Kenna, you want me to move in with you so that you can win the family war. Not even because you see future in us. Or you want to take the relationship to the next level. No, Abi.
How can you say this now?
You
know how they see future. I go marry you. What did they talk? You think I'm gonna marry you? I'm gonna give me say I put all China, I put all now man again. Go on now. And I'm putting you double on you. Go on now. Okay, fine. Just come, even if it's 1 month or maybe 2 weeks plus. You don't mind? You can just come to your boyfriend's house and spend some time with him. I wanna watch.
Let me hear your second reason.
Okay, my second reason. Baby, like this now, babe. I no go lie you. I dey hungry. Since today I never chop, I swear. And only you now fit save me. Please, help me.
It's obvious now. You would have said it since. That would have been your first reason, not the second reason. I go on Agogi, you look hungry. Because Irigo Chegita scattered your brain. You're not thinking straight. Why you equal first? You see, that's your second reason. You would have placed it first.
Yes, I'm a hungry man. Okay, baby, should I follow your lead? Will you give me food? Should I follow you?
Happy we go run for you. A which kind of person did this? Okay, I find something to do with. Instead of looking for trouble, here and there. Okay.
I'm not good sometimes. I'm not good after the school. I'm not surprised you.
Surprise me. You seem coming.
What can you do?
You see? Oh, yeah, I do.
Tazo. Tabi kolano.
Oh, young. You see? You fuck why you took without me. Na kwabu, neri shasha, atapano, without me. You see, this is why a young man will make big money tomorrow and ignores his aging mother. People will say he's wicked. If not, see how you're treating me, maltreating me. Mama, tomorrow, echi now, I make money and I see you and I ignore you. Will you blame me? With the way you are treating me, will you blame me?
He said, when you make money tomorrow.
My money is coming. I'm a destiny child. I'll make it.
Of course now. You're a destiny child. My son, it is only an imagination. Oh? It will become reality when this your dream now, this your imagination now, has come to fulfillment.
Okay. Mama, my dream that will come true is an imagination. Are you saying that I will not make it? Mama, is that what you are saying?
That's exactly what you have portrayed, though.
If you continue living your life like this, I'm living it. You and success never mentioned in one sentence. To be you, success. Like this.
You know your own case is different. She's my mother. I will easily forgive her. You know, because, oh, my sweet mother, I forgive you. But you, you go here way.
That's when you make it.
I go pepper you.
You make it now. That's when you make it, you pepper me.
I know I will make it.
Let's wait till then now.
Nah.
Let's wait.
I will make it. When I make it, if I make it, you want to make it. You want to make it. Yet, you are so pushy to sell the only asset that you have.
Me, I'm not selling the house
to go and
again.
smoke Igbo.
I am not selling the house again. Never. If I sell it, how much will I make? Yeah, peanut now. Me, I have bigger plan. Oh, I have something big coming. Yes, and when it lands, you will see.
Something big.
Yes, let me tell you, it can only get better. I have something big coming. It's just me. I don't have papa. Right now, I don't have mother. It is only me in this world. You are here eating rice without me. Ofako for that matter. No problem. I'll go and sleep. I'll go and sleep. Ma, did you call me? Come. I should come.
Nobody call you. Go and sleep.
Ewa.
My mom here. My mom here. Because they know my mom here.
Mama, you say something big is coming. And he doesn't want to stay in the house again. What is something big?
I don't know. Whatever he's planning. It's not my problem.
Let him not gonna make it though. Let him not gonna make it because if he makes it now, I'll be the one to lose.
How can you lose?
I said that he will forgive you, but he will not forgive me.
Forget that nonsense. He's your uncle. You want that deal, no? Eat, because.
God, don't go and give him money in my absence.
Eh? It's again.
You know, like I'm playing that boss.
No, don't say it. You are clean your mouth.
Hi, the cat's pretty good.
Nice. What's going on here now?
Hey, Mama. Mama, good news. Come and stand here. Mama, I want you to meet Angela. My sweet Angela.
Good afternoon, Mama.
And why are you telling me to meet Angela? Don't I know her before? I don't understand. And where are you taking this box to?
Mama, Angela is moving in with us.
Again.
Eh?
Who are the us? Can they be the us?
Okay, it's all right. I'll answer you. Angela is moving in with me.
As
my own wife.
What do you mean by so wife?
If I want to look at
it's not
wife. Mama, are you hearing? Like, what do you mean by as your wife? When did you do marriage? That she's not your wife. Is that how you put marry your family?
And how are you asking her a question?
Yes,
in a way,
yes, now.
Happy wagon.
You don't have one training.
I don't understand.
That follow match.
Just like that.
That's wife. You should buy that woman.
Come on, shut up there. Me what a swag I now. Are you mad?
Hey.
Mama, you have to welcome her. Makaniye bara abago.
See you, Delilah.
My love, let's go.
I've seen your plan.
Okay.
Delilah.
Let's go inside.
Delilah, you have succeeded in ruining my uncle completely. You have succeeded in ruining his life completely. Mama, you are not saying anything. Are you against them or you are for them? What's going on?
What do you want me to say?
You tell them to come back because you know that once they enter inside, now to come out is now problem.
Where?
Yes, now.
Okay, now, what are your plans from now till next year? Because I still can't believe I am playing this game with you. Where is it leading to? Where are we heading to?
It is very simple. First of all, I will sell this house. Yes, I will gather the money, I will use it and enter the city. Because that's where my life is waiting for me, not here. I mean us. So you don't need to fear. Everywhere is good and nice.
It's actually a good idea. But what if he fails?
What if what fails?
I mean, you haven't even laid your hands on the documents. Okay, let's assume you have the documents and you succeed in selling the house. What if you move to the city and city swallows the whole money? What then?
My love, see, you are asking too many confused questions. See, I know my mother and little niece well. They will be one side now praying because since you got in here, they have been confused though. You don't know? Yes, now. So what we will do now is that we'll give them a different drama from what they are expecting. Kaiji love Bunda. Okay, Ota. Now, see, I have plans to. Ayakuba. Yes, now. Ha.
How did Okenna manage to pull this through?
Mommy, I don't know. This one shocked me. This is not clear at all.
Mrs. Obiora, sorry for calling you at this time of the night.
It's okay, sir. I asked you to call by this time, so you are not bothering me.
Any positive news?
I'm afraid not at this time, sir.
Mrs. Obiora, I want you to check your medical records. She used to go by the name Adora Ojemba. I don't know if she has visited your facility recently.
I checked our records, sir, but there is no such name or recent visit. But I assure you, I will keep searching. Or maybe you can tell me her daughter's name too. That might help.
I don't know the name she gave the child. I don't know. So I don't know. Just check your record, because she must have visited your facility 18 years ago, because I knew she gave birth to a child 18 years ago in your facility.
18 years ago is a long time, sir. And we may not have proper records by then, but I will assure you, I will keep looking.
Okay. It's okay. All right. Keep searching, please. I hope we'll find something positive. Oh, please. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Okay. Have a good night rest.
Same to you, sir.
Okay.
Mama, see you.
When did you wake up that you're already eating?
Good morning, Mama. That's how I love drinking my tea, very early in the morning. It opens my day.
So who gave you the permission to enter our kitchen, to use our kitchen?
Exactly, answer that. And also explain to me, how possible is it for you to just wake up in the morning without doing your chores and you're looking for food already?
Oh, that. Actually, Mama, I already swept the entire compound, including the living room before you both walked in. Yes, I love doing my chores very well. I cleaned everywhere. That reminds me, I bought a big loaf of bread in case you would want to have some tea. Or I can just make the tea myself. You will enjoy it.
nonsensical. Like nonsense. What do you call this thing in English now? This thing that she did. What are we going to call it in English?
What else if not spotless?
Spotless. Like not that type of spotless. I'm not talking about the. I'm talking like this thing now that you are seeing around you. Me, I see it as far. It's foul play. Don't have to use your head. You see that, Delilah? That girl, she's up to something.
Up to something what? Something like what?
What do you mean by something like what? Like I thought we were on the same page now. Something like what again? Something like okay, she's up to something. Yeah, don't even tell me that you want to fall for her. Because when you came in, I saw the way you were smiling and smiling. In my mind, I'm like, are you sure we're still the same page? Like, what's going on? Are you following me? Are you against me or are you for me?
How can I be against you? My own Dorcas. I can never be against you. But the truth remains that your uncle has the right to bring in spouse. I hope you know that.
Okay, you are for me. And you are for my uncle too. Like my uncle, what's right? What spouse from where? Are they married? Spouse without dowry, spouse without bride price, spouse without traditional marriage, spouse without. Is that how they now do marriage in this age?
Dorcas, my daughter. Do you want to know the truth?
Yes.
The only way to realign a man's head is by getting him a wife. This is very much in order. Honestly.
Okay, so you are supporting him. You are falling for all of them. You are falling for them. Child, I knew it. So you are falling for them just like that.
Falling for who? I am not falling for anybody. Listen, let me tell you, game or no game, my own is that I pray that pregnancy comes quickly.
Quick? Like you want pregnancy just like that, sharp.
What is it about it?
I am so disappointed actually. Why? I'm so disappointed. Like, what's this now? What's this now? And I was even thinking that me and you were standing on the same ground. Only for you not to come and be against me.
I can't be against you.
No, you're against me. Because what are we now talking about? Me, I'm saying another thing, you are saying another thing. Me and you will discuss something. Now, you are coming here with another different idea.
No, you're misunderstanding me. We're still on the same page.
Well, why am I even scared? If a whole Jesus Christ can be betrayed by his disciples, why am I not to be betrayed? I knew it.
Who is betraying you?
You.
Dorcas.
Last in this life, you don't even need to trust anybody. You are on your own. Anything you do, you are on your own because they'll go behind you and bite you.
Dorcas.
Just do your thing your way.
Enopa, how did I betray her?
Back. You see, that thing you are planning will not work. It will not work because me I've already seen it. In your mind, you might think that you have succeeded in charming everybody. My sister, let me tell you, you cannot charm me. You cannot possess me. Okay? That your plan will not work. You just came to this house to scatter everybody's mentality, everybody's brain. But me, the fact that I'm very strong, nobody can defeat me. Just wait for me. I will not let you drink water in this house and keep the cup in peace. Bet it. I'm looking for. You're looking for who is not looking for you.
You've not seen anything yet. You can cry a river, baby. You can cry all you want. But guess what? I am here to stay. You will see me in the morning immediately you wake up. You will see me in the afternoon. And you equally see me at night before going to bed. I won't even let you drink water, let alone drop in the cup.
Akunne, we called this meeting for peace. Not just peace, it's sustainable peace in this household. We also thank each and every one of you in this household for maintaining this sustainable peace. We know that it has been somehow before, but now it has been so calm. So that is why we, the elders, have decided to call for this meeting. And in that, we will also like you and your granddaughter, any of you that is with the document of this house, to bring it out so that a sustainable peace will continue to reign. Yes.
The issue before was as a result of fear. Fear that your son here, Okenda, will sell this house.
Oh.
But now things are different. He is so much calm.
Yes. But I think it is too early. No. Chelo, it is too early for us to conclude. We have to take things easy. Let me tell you, peace is tested before trusted.
Mazi Opanka, you should not bring us back. Don't bring us back to what we okay now. Can you stand before we the elders and promise us that you will not sell this house again?
My elders, let me greet you people once again.
We greet you too.
Thank you very much for bringing peace into our family.
Yes.
Only feji nsogbu eme. Udo chia. Udo ka mma. I also want to thank my mother and my little niece here. Whoever that hid that document did well for me. Because it would have been a very big mistake. Financial mistake. Because now, look at me. I'm no longer boy alone. My elders. I'm married now. I have a woman. So I saw this building now. Where will I stay? Where will I stay with my wife? So me, I'm happy. I won't lie to you. I'm very, very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sit down. You have spoken very well.
Thank you.
Akune, you have heard them. So please bring out the document so that peace, sustainable peace, will continue to reign in this household. Oh, Dalo, Wanyama.
Thank you very much. You have all spoken well. I've heard what you said. I'll bring out the documents. But I'll plead with you to please give me a little time to think about it.
Time, quoi? What's the time? Are you okay? No problem. We have heard you. We have heard you. We will give you that time. Wisdom is more profitable when you are calm.
Akunne, tell me you did not mean what you said back then. And explain to me, how long is the more time you just asked for?
There are some things you do when you want to win a battle. You need not lift a finger. And you will win the battle.
I know exactly what I'm doing. That boy is of good behavior now because his girlfriend is still sustaining him. As soon as he runs out of cash, which I'm very sure it will not be more than 7 days, he will return to his old song of, I want to sell this house, I want to sell this house.
And that is my fear. If he did it before, he will still do it again and again and again.
What I will tell you here is be calm. Oh, just be calm until that document will get into your hand. You own the card.
Okay.
So the card is yours.
Okay.
Oh,
I will be calm.
Just be calm.
I'll be calm.
Okay, now. A man does not snatch his drinking cup from a monkey by force. You have to play nice like a monkey. Be calm until the monkey will drop the cup.
I want to take the cup.
You take the monkey.
Okay.
You are learning.
Okay.
Even if after 1 month he did not ask of the document, Biko, don't bring it out. Oh. This boy, only why you don't fall for his scam, Biko. You know?
You are listening, Abi Mama. You are listening to him so that you're not going to change your mind. You see, you know they had to.
If you ask me, we should give him like 2 years or more so that we'll test him and see if he will ask of it again. Okay?
Okay, but what if he has really changed?
Ha!
No, wait. See, I want you to understand something. I am not dragging his inheritance with him. I just want him to be more responsible before taking over.
Akunde, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I know what that boy can do. If Rania, no.
My elders.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
I've really learned from your wisdom today.
Good.
As for me, I'll be like the monkey.
Yes.
I'll collect the cup. And after collecting the cup, I'll still lick banana.
You have social intelligence.
I'll be
Social
calm.
intelligence.
That is it.
I'll be calm.
Don't worry. Just be calm. Oh,
Calmness.
Let's go.
I'll maintain calm. Thank you very much. I'll be calm. I'll be calm. Dorcas, bye. Dada. Beautiful Dorcas. My sweet mother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How is your lousy boyfriend doing?
Sorry, sir, my boyfriend is not lousy. He just needs help, that's all.
Help?
Yes. He's a very sensible young man. A graduate at that. Just that he hasn't found the opportunity to prove himself yet.
I can help him. Yeah. I can absorb him in one of my companies.
Sir, that would be very nice of you, sir.
I'm impressed at how eager you are to help him.
Yes, sir. I like helping men.
You like helping men.
Yes.
You see, everyone in this life needs help. I need help. You need help. And your boyfriend needs help. Now listen. If you can help me, I'll help you. I will help you and help your boyfriend.
What kind of help are you talking about?
You see, I'm a very lonely old man. Very lonely. So I need help.
To Ubayase. Ubayase Okokopi.
Okay, my God.
Okokopi.
Maji.
My man.
I got land. How every now?
Come on, I just do.
Hey, don't be small thing. I long time. You don't take. Where you put body now? Hi.
Guy.
Wow.
That is, you know easy.
I swear down. I swear down.
You see, me, I've been trying to put my life together. I've been trying to put my life together. I know some know me. I won't care about Ulu.
Yes.
Only son.
Not true.
Only child.
That one
So come back home.
That one day. No, I don't miss you. I say my show. I must have my show.
Obokopi.
Obokopi. I come with Obokopi, man. Time no day. Obokopi.
You come with Obokopi.
We light everywhere now.
Is it that what I just said now did not enter your ear? Or the thing entered from here and left from here? I just told you that I'm trying to put my life together. It seems need to call Obokopi. I no longer smoke. I no longer do any of this now. Or can pop our brain. Yes, now I'm a graduate. I graduated with second class upper. I don't need to be doing this. My life should be better.
No.
Actually, don't do that. Don't do that. I have a big dream.
Wow.
My dream is big. I want target. So these things are distraction. Okay, mess my brain up. I will not be thinking where. So just keep it. Since you don't want to change, you better change. I'm not mandely easy, but try.
What thing that happen now?
Oh, everywhere good and nice now.
No problem.
Let me get you water to drink. That is the only thing I can offer you.
Water?
Okay, 1 minute. Don't like this.
What?
Don't like that.
This one now.
I like to go up a copy about. I'm serious. Let me get you up.
I do it. When I tell someone, you do. I no like that on copy now. I deal with this one. Play. I will finish you. Champion. You follow him.
Oh yeah, now.
You get answer.
Oh yeah, now. Hey, Paul my angel is back. My baby. My angel. Baby, you are back. Okay, I can see you are tired. I'll come and see you inside, yeah?
Wait, you guy. What did this babe they do for you? This babe don't they live with you now? Since when? Yeah?
Talk again.
I don't understand you. All these things that happen, I don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah, now rugged down.
You can bear.
Okay, now you know you're really a piece of work. How many times have I warned you to stop associating with people who don't have ambitions in life? How many times?
Guy. Now me, I don't understand. Your woman is hot.
No, tell me, how do you want to make progress? How do you want to succeed in life when you associate with useless people, foolish people, senseless people? Tell me.
Why break there? Put your bicycle for standing. Which kind of sort be this one? You just hear the looker.
Did I call your name? Did I call your name? Did you hear me mention your name?
Guy, you don't talk.
Mama, you know this thing they say, if there are two foolish people around you, if you count it well, there are not two, there are three.
Via Dorcas, hope you're not referring to me. Hope I'm not the one you're talking to.
Did I call your name? Did you hear your name, yeah? I was talking with Mama.
Polite insult.
Dorcas, are you referring to the three of us? Dorcas.
24 cartons of insult.
My woman is here. I will maintain steez.
No, but guy. More than I don't move. I get better business.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Come on, sit down. I'm gonna tell you. Come on, sit down. I'm sorry. See, I'm sorry, yeah. I'm sorry about Tobias or Bokopi. Yeah. Sorry about this change too, this little demon. No reason. How was your day?
Okay, now just when I thought you're finally realizing your worth, boom, you set me up for this. Look at the insults I'm just getting because of you.
Baby, see, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know you have been doing your best to make me a better man. Me, I know. I appreciate all your efforts. Even self, me too, I'm trying. Yeah, too, me, I'm doing well now. Because I no longer smoke. I didn't make
You no longer smoke.
I
You?
swear.
When?
For the
Where?
past 1 week now, I've not smoked.
Are you serious?
See my lips now. It's no longer black. All I just red can be a beautiful boy. Nah, I've stopped smoking now.
See, Okenna, I really want you to be a better person. For me, for yourself, for the entire family. See, if you make it in life, even Dorcas and your mom, all of them will love you. They will no longer insult you.
Insult? No problem, baby. It's okay. Me, I will do my best.
Don't worry.
I will do my best.
Very
It's a
soon.
gradual process.
Very soon you will resume work.
Is it very soon I will?
You will start working. A good job.
Hey! How?
I've already sorted out everything.
Bring your voice down. Those are cheap, whatever.
Just get your credentials ready, the whole documents. They will call you soon, maybe by next week.
Hey!
I've fixed everything.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. I will start work.
Yes.
See, I can't wait to start making money. So I will start taking care of you. I will be buying you gifts. I will take you for a vacation. I will go to Santorini, Greece.
Wait, so you want to make money so that you be taking care of woman? You not even say you take care of mama. You not say you take care of me. Is that how you are? They say, picky where the suck breast, no say milky cause. Then they not say, give to Male before you give Obianuju. You want to give Obianuju before Male. Wow. Kudos to you. Mom, see where say Harapa bear you for sale. Now you want wicked. Very wicked somebody. For this paint just for man. Oh, man that is not even looking at our face. Oh, paint. Just you paint here, you paint here, you paint here, you paint everywhere because of man. Man. Well, now let's see where our situationship will lead us to. Me, I know that in this life they say take risk. As you're taking the risk, you should also know the one that will take your head. Take you out of this life. Take risk. You don't want to give your life to man that don't care about you. That's you. Yeah. That's married by fire by force. My sister is Undertaker. Oh. I know you can hear me. I just pretend it's Undertaker. Oh, better one. If you don't know me, you know now.
Church rats. You can say whatever thing you want to say, but you can't change the fact that I am the oxygen your uncle breathes. He cannot do without me.
I cannot do without you. You're whining yourself. Maybe somebody liked you, or maybe you went to not native doctor or pastor. They not like you that, oh, yeah, the oxygen you bring in your mind now. I'm whining you. let me tell you. You cannot be the oxygen my uncle is breathing. He's just whining you if it's what I told you. Number one is that you are too desperate that you want to marry. You want to marry. Now you want to go and trick your head in the wrong place. They have not even paid your bride price. There's no diary, no bride price, not even Peter Cola. They have not even put Peter Cola on your head. Let's know. Nothing.
Listen, I will not sit here and allow you to insult me. Respect yourself. This is the last warning.
Very soon, very soon. First one will drop. Second picking drop. Third born will drop. Maybe it's when the third born wants to go and do her own marriage. That's when they will not pay your own bride price. No, you never can. What, Mama? Mama!
No, what are you talking to?
No. Leave me alone. You can't leave me alone.
I will use this thing and sound you.
Don't touch you.
Do I look like your mate?
Don't touch you. Leave me alone.
I will just kill you.
Leave me alone. I'm not touching. I was talking with my back. Don't touch you. If I talk, you talk to me back. Don't touch you.
I'm just holding myself. I'm holding myself.
I'm just talking with my own mouth. Don't come on. Now you're forcing yourself up, man.
Nne, I said I was not going to say anything until you complete 7 days in this house. And today made it 9 days. And I can see that both of you are getting along fine.
Yes, we are compatible. So,
Biko, I need you to understand something. I am not against your relationship. I can see that she's your spec.
Ha!
And you are her spec.
Full spec. Baby, come out up. Stand. Mama? Now she did.
Yes, Mama. I'm a full spec.
Yes.
A rare one at that.
You are a full spec indeed. You are truly a full spec. A rare one at that. And thank God that you are the only one, that He just created one of you. If not, wonderful day.
Wait. Mama, wait. Dorcas, is that supposed to be a compliment or what?
What else? It's a compliment, of course.
A compliment?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, want this girl?
I should not compliment person again. She's the one that opened mouth and said she's a rare what spec. I said thank God you are the rare spec and it's only one of you God created. How is it not a bad thing? You like countering me. I don't like it though.
Dorcas.
So bad, bro.
Biko, I need you to explain certain things to me so we can be on the same page. Why I'm saying this is because I'm an elder. Biko, has my son taken wine to your people? Because I'm not aware of any.
I'm not saying anything. Because me too, I'm lost. I did not know when my uncle carry wine to your people. Allow me to talk. This is the free meeting. Allow me to talk.
I said keep quiet.
No, I'm not keeping quiet. If you go outside, can you fight other your fellow men out there? It's only me.
You.
Enter you see you get power.
Tell me I'm gonna tell you. I will deal with you. I'm gonna deal with you. For real. Okay. So bad.
Is that how marriage works? Let me know. Let me know if I'll go and meet a man and stay in the house.
Who will marry you? No, which man will marry you?
Oh, I'll be asking.
Want this girl?
Calm down.
Mama,
I'm
please
not
excuse me.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Calm down. 2 wrongs cannot make it right.
I'll tell you, walk out of my mama like this son.
Try nonsense.
Your audacity, no, mama.
Try any nonsense.
What do I have to do? What?
Okay.
I'm done for trouble now. You walk out, I'm supporting you.
Can't brought support now. You just took this into another level.
Leave me.
Where are you going to? Come back here.
people should fight for once.
Why don't you make yourself comfortable? Sit down.
Don't worry. I prefer to stand.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so what do I offer you?
I'm okay. I don't need anything.
Well, if you say so. You see, your coming here simply tells me that you have agreed to help me. And like I said, if you help me, I'll help you and help your boyfriend as well. So you're cool with that?
You live here alone?
Oh, yes. My wife and kids are in the UK. So I'm a lone ranger here.
Very well then. Show me to your bedroom.
Wow. This way, please. You're lovely.
Mama! Mama, I can't find my certificate though. I can't find my certificate. Ha! Mama, I can't find my diploma certificate, my BSc, my training certificate, my CVs. I can't find any of them. They are missing.
You can't find them. How?
Mama, which one is how? I'm looking for where's my certificate?
Calm down.
Where's my...
Dorcas! Dorcas!
Dorcas!
Calm down, calm down.
Mama, please don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm telling you that I'm looking for my certificate. Calm down. Where's my certificate?
Wait now, can you get what? I'll get it back. Give it also. Are you accusing her? You're asking
Please
her?
don't tell me to take it. You can't bring my certificate.
Mayo. Yeah? No. Your uncle said that he's looking for his certificate. Did you see it?
No.
Hey!
Get the guy wasn't
Guy! No. Mama, I cannot take this. I will lose my student status. Don't you understand?
Calm down.
No, I cannot take this. My friend can bring my certificate.
I'm not with your certificate. I'm not with any certificate.
Mama, what is with
The only certificate I have with me is the house document.
Which house?
This house.
This house? Kambekwa. You mean the certificate, the one with me?
The one with you? No, you are not with the house document. I'm the only one with the house document. Maybe you should go and check the one you have. Because the one I have, I know is the house document.
Hey! Mama, wait. So you people... Mama, you people shared the house document without giving me anyone. And now my... Get that cab. Yeah! You people must give me my own certificate. Mama, this is not the house document or even my school certificate. This is nonsense now.
Dorcas. So you've been the one holding the house documents when I thought they were with me. So where is the house documents?
They're with me. And they're safe. As a matter of fact, they're my insurance.
What do you mean by insurance? No, I'm not fighting you. With insurance. I'm not touching her.
I know, just
Mama, I don't want to beat her.
Kill me, you will not get it though.
What? Hey,
If you kill me, nobody will give it to you.
Are you mad?
I am.
You see you. I will deal with you.
No, wait.
Me.
I know.
I will show you how dangerous I am. Make it.
Show me. I don't know you are dangerous.
I will match you down.
Okay, there's a match who down.
Mama, you better tell this girl to come.
I will. Okay.
You!
Good evening, everyone.
Deal with you. Don't worry.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, who are you?
My name is Mr. Maxwell. I am from Alpha Mega PLC. I hope you don't mind me asking, is this the home of late Miss Adora Okezie?
Yes, she was my daughter. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. All is well. It's just that she was a colleague of ours, and we have been processing her gratuity and death benefits for her family.
Oh, really?
Wait. You mean pension?
Yes. Pension, gratuity, they're all packaged in her death benefits for the family. Just that we just need one thing.
What is it, my brother?
Okay, we need a named beneficiary.
Name.
Just a name?
Yes.
Let me. What's that one? What's that one? Why are you pushing me? What's that one? You know the person I'm talking about.
No, that's no problem. Okay, my brother, you see, my name is Okenna. I'm a graduate. I graduated from Enugu State University of Science and Technology with second class upper. Yeah, I was a very bright student. So, Adora here was my beloved sister when she was alive.
Hello.
I miss her so much.
Hello.
So, I'm the man of the house by the special grace of God.
My brother.
So, keep quiet.
Leave me.
You will put my name there. Understand?
Hello.
I said keep listen to me. Just listen to me.
You're talking about the woman. The woman you're talking about
Just
was
listen
my
to
mother,
me.
Okay?
You need to listen
she was
to
my
me.
Mother. My very beloved mother. Exactly. Now that she's gone, whatever you want, just ask me. Use my name.
Okay, just for confirmation. Okay. You are her daughter?
Yes.
Okay. Mind if I ask in how old are you?
Okay, very good. Answer it.
Let me answer now.
Don't lie, yo.
How old am I? Okay. Like I'm 18 plus. 18 and a half years.
She's 11 though.
Sorry.
11.
Sorry, excuse me. I'm so sorry, my dear. Company policy, we do not deal with minors.
I don't understand. 18 years is not minor.
My friend, you're a minor.
Hello, sir.
You are a child.
18 years. Listen to me, let me tell you something. 18 years is not minor. Okay?
Do not go against the government today.
There is nothing like
They will
that.
sack you, my brother.
Listen. Can I
She's 11, a minor.
Who's 11?
Mama,
Stop this nonsense.
I'll slap you.
Okay, Iwagala. Enough Zala. Nabigo. Point of correction. 18 years is not minor.
Good.
Her mates are already in husband's house and they've given birth to children.
Children?
18 minor. An error.
See.
To solve this whole issue, I will be back on Monday.
Okay.
Just sort everything out.
Even if you come back on Monday, her name will be there. Oh, thank you very much for this news.
Shebi, I see. Mama, I see your son. You see your son. My name.
Like I said, I'm a graduate. My brother.
See, me and you.
See the way you switch.
We're going to end this matter here. Shebi, you are the one that is saying that this is your father's house. This is your father's house, Abi. You don't want to drag your father's house again.
Do you know my father?
Your father was my beloved grandfather.
Your mother was my beloved sister. If you don't know.
Beloved. After insulting her.
Mom, don't
Beloved.
You don't know my father.
Do you know my mother?
If I know your mother.
Sister, see. Mama, we're going to end this case here.
Okay. We'll end it here. Okay. You want us to end it here?
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
We're going to end it though.
Insulting her.
We'll just end it here.
Stop.
No, come, let us end it.
No, don't touch her.
Leave me now. If I count 5 and you do not leave me, I will bomb you. Dorcas!
I better tell him to wait now. I'm not having with anybody.
What is the problem now?
I'm looking for my birth certificate and I'm very sure he's with it.
Did you give me your certificate? Did you give it to me? My friend, leave me now. In Ayala. I said leave me.
Mama, when I was looking for the certificate, he came to the room and asked if it was the certificate I was looking for. I said yes. He now told me good luck.
Oh, Because I told you good luck, that means I'm the one that took it. Eh? I'm the one. Don't you know what good luck is? You told me that you are looking for your certificate. I said good luck on that. That you should find it. Anyways, my bad no go kill me. Now leave me.
It's okay. Okay, listen. Dorcas.
Ma.
Just calm down, yeah?
Mama, no. Me, I'm more than 1% sure that it's with you. You should give me my certificate.
What?
I will kill you.
You will kill me.
You can play with
Ah! Leave me.
No, you can play with you. Oh, leave me now. Leave me there.
The knife is even taller than you. Ogwa can't age. Wait, they are holding you.
Listen. Why not give me the house documents? Then I will make sure he gives you your birth certificate.
Man, leave me. Everybody wants their own day. Leave me. Give me my certificate now. Give me my certificate now.
I promise you. Yeah? Oh?
Give me my certificate then. Give me my certificate now. Give me my certificate now.
Hold me now.
Don't worry, I'll collect it.
Give me my certificate.
Touch me.
Give me my certificate. I'm not going to take it with anybody. I'm not going to take it with anybody.
Muke na mere mma.
Give me that knife. I'm not going to take it with anybody. Give me that knife. Give me that knife. Give me that knife first. Ma, give me that knife. Give me that knife. If I'm not killing you, will kill me.
My love, how was your day? Fine. So, were you able to meet Chief? Any good news?
Yes, there is.
There is? Are you serious?
Yes, you will be resuming work by next month.
Hey! It is finished. Next month. Hey! This is good news. This is good news. Hey!
He assured me that you will be contacted by next week.
Hi!
Hope all your credentials are
Baby,
ready.
everything is ready. Everything is ready. Next month is already here, so no shaking. I have everything intact. Hi! Hey, thank God, oh, baby, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. My baby, you see, lack of job almost made me irresponsible. A graduate like me. I don't have any job. I'm just here gallivanting up and down. And my mother and Dorcas, they were talking to me anyhow. Hi, I'm so happy. Oh. See, I'm so happy. I'm the happiest man now. Baby, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, my angel. The angel that God sent in my life to come and save me. Hi, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, baby. Kiwi now. You're not looking bright. Why are you not happy?
No, I'm happy. I'm just tired.
Tired? I hope there is no hidden conditions.
No, there is no hidden conditions. I'm very okay. I'm just tired.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure that you're just tired?
I'm just tired.
Yeah. Okay. Let us go inside. Are you not feeling sleepy?
See, just go. Okay? Go and sleep. I'll join you later.
I should go and sleep. Oh, baby, now. If I go in now, the next thing now, bag at 5, I will sleep off and will not be able to, today is our happy night.
Okay, see. I'll wake you up.
You wake me up.
I'll wake you up.
Hi! My baby loves me. Is it? Okay, let me go and shower.
Okay.
Baby, don't waste time. This night is a happy night. So we need to round it up. Maybe like 3 or 4 hours. Round it up.
No problem. I'll join you now.
Okay, let me go and shower. My baby! My baby! I'm sitting. I told them that I'm a graduate. I graduated with first class upper. I'm a working class nigga. Yeah, I must.
He is happy now, so loyal, so full of promises. But what happens if he gets this job? Will he still be the same man, or will he change? After everything I sacrificed to build him, will he dump me? Will he even marry me? I just pray all this is not in vain. I just pray he doesn't change.
Baby, Obim, my love, I will marry you.
Eh?
Yes.
You'll marry me?
Yes.
Okay, look into my eyes. Tell me what you see.
I should look into your eyes and tell you what I see. I see...
Problem. Trouble. Headache. Poverty. Billing, heartbreak. That's what you see. That's what men see, and that's what you get.
What is your problem? Eh? Dorcas, what is your problem? I've told you that I will match you. I'll match you down.
Let me warn you again. My uncle is not going to marry you, so stay away from him. Stay away from him. And you look into my eyes and tell me what to see.
I see devil.
Yes. And that's what I will give you.
Check it, Bogo.
Bet it.
Ogini, why are you sleeping here? Please go inside.
Hello?
I hope it's not too late calling.
No, not at all.
Sir, we may have found something on the woman you asked about. I found the photo of one Adora Okezie and it fits the description. According to our records, she delivered a baby girl in our clinic about 18 years ago.
Adora Okezie?
Yes, sir. She is the only Adora we have. So I am guessing she is the one you are looking for. Maybe a slight change of surname.
Okay. So,
Unfortunately, sir, you can't meet her. She passed on 4 months ago.
Oh,
We can give you her address.
okay.
You can reach out to her.
Wait, the child is still alive,
Thank
right?
you, sir. Bye. Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you give me her address? Can you give me the address? How can I locate her so that I'll come around tomorrow?
We'll send it.
Okay. That'll be fine. Or better still. All right, thank you very much. But thank you very much. I'm grateful. Oh. Finally. Oh, she's late. But the child is alive.
Dorcas, my daughter,
Biko, let peace reign. Please, hand over the house document to your mother. Then, Okenna will give you your birth certificate, Biko.
No. No.
Hey.
That's my only insurance.
Uncle, see, I don't have time for all this nonsense. You see this nonsense? I don't have time for it.
Okay.
If she's not ready, I will just leave here.
It's okay.
I will just leave here.
We give you, it's okay.
And I Biko. Dokas, please. Uncle is telling you, please. He's begging you. May the God I beg you. Okay, no problem. I will deal with you in this house. Nah, yala.
Dodo. Please, Biko. Bring out the documents. I promise you, your uncle will not throw you out of this house. This is your house, Onwam.
You see, my mother is the one spoiling this girl. Mom, maybe this girl. Biko, do it fast. This special room might come at any time.
See, my name is Dokas Okeze. My late mother's name is Mrs. Adora Okeze. I am the only one qualified to accept anything they want to give to my late mother.
I support.
Hey, mine. Okay. Very good. Very short. Very short. Oh, guy. Sit here, please. Sit down.
Please, sir. Come on. Welcome, sir. Sir, it's me. I am the only one. My name is Okeze Dokas. That's my name. I am the only one qualified to accept anything they want to give to my late mother. I'm not dragging it with anybody, with due respect, sir. Please.
I'm sorry. I'm your father.
Azal now. Is it the pension they want to give now? Are you the pension that I'm giving to my late mother?
I'm your father. She's the one. She's the one, Adora.
Really? You made her suffer. She died in pains. You're wicked. I forgot, Joka.
Please, I was a coward. I've been living in regrets since all this happened. I'm sorry.
So why now? Why are you coming now? You waited very long. For how many years now? You are coming now. You are showing your face now. What do you want us to do?
Please, my daughter, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry about the whole thing. I actually came because my wife took my children abroad and swore never to come back again.
Oh.
And I have chains of businesses, legacies, but no one to inherit them.
If your wife did not leave with your children, you will not come back. Now I'm your second option. Like I'm second option.
No, don't see it that way, please, my daughter.
And what was that second thing you say? You say you have chains of businesses and companies and you don't have anybody to inherit it.
No, I had no one to inherit it. That's the reason I've been looking for you.
Hey, hello. Who is this? Starting where? Please shift. Go home, go. The person people are still coming. Hey, shift.
Look, that's one name.
Eh? This is the one name. Do you know me before? You still have my certificate to shift. So that it not look like me, I have strong heart. Opopi okute. I will accept. If I don't accept, who will?
Thank you, my daughter.
I will accept. So, what am I not saying? Let me go hug my daddy. Leave me. Go above your bia. Leave me. Ah. My daddy.
Dokas, bye.
Thank you.
So let's read the introduction. My name is Okizi Dokas and this is my grandmother.
I'm my uncle.
Who is that?
I'm my uncle.
I know the letter. I don't know.
Your daddy the truth now.
Who are you?
I pampered you.
I won't make it up. Okay?
Chief, what are you doing here?
Who is this?
Sorry, I mean, you look like someone I know. Sorry about it.
He's not like someone you know. This is Edoka's father.
This is my father. Not everybody you should know. I don't understand you.
Dokas, bye. Lucky child.
Good afternoon, everyone.
You're welcome.
Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
So, I believe everything has been sorted out.
Nah, everything is settled.
Okay, that's good. So, who exactly am I?
She's the one. She's the next of kin. Taga. In fact, let me go and get her birth certificate. Ha! Na right thing, man. Come on, go.
I couldn't forget. Who do I go? Yeah.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Gentlemen, please. If I may ask, how much is the death benefit in question?
150 billion.
Okay, with the pension, her gratuity, and the number of years she worked with the company, as well as out of the benevolence of our company, the total sum is 120 million. I'm sorry. I meant 120,000 naira.
Once again.
Eh?
Once again.
Yes.
Wait. Oga pension. Wait. I need to get you clear. I need to understand this whole thing, please. Just hold on. Mama, please hold on a sec. You mean 120,000 naira or 120 million naira? Which one?
Hey.
I said 120,000 naira.
Why are you not painting it 120,000 naira? Instead of you to just say 120k, you are calling it 100 and must you pronounce it like that?
Hey.
We're not fighting ourselves because of 120k. So my mother worked for your company all her life. It's only 130k, you know you will pay her.
Actually, it's out of the benevolence of the company.
I beg my brother, help me carry that benevolence and dash this young man. I don't need your benevolence. Give him the benevolence. He needs it.
Sir, please, I'm going to need your name.
120k. Baby, what are you doing here alone now? I was looking for you inside. What is it now? You look worried.
Okay, now. Are you even thinking at all?
Thinking? Thinking about what?
This same man we are talking about is the chairman. The same man who promised to give you work. And now, we are realizing that he's Dorcas' father.
Isn't it good? At least the man will give me the job without stress. Plus, Dorcas, she will add her mouth. I'll get TM on. The man will just give me the work without stress. Successful.
How sure are you? This same Dorcas is your worst enemy. Your first enemy.
You're right, though. Beautiful girl. Right. Wow, swear. Doka.
That's your house documents then. You can do with it anything you want. Yes, big girl. Over here we'll talk about connection. It's money you don't need to shout. You just stay on the low. If you shout too much, you are poor. That's poor mentality, man. See? I am contact. I am connection that everybody needs in their life. You don't make noise. With money will calm your head. You don't need to be shouting unnecessarily. Look at me. Yesterday, I was a small Pekin. Everybody they call me small Pekin. I will kill you. I will do this one. But everybody everywhere shout. Today now, I am a big girl.
Did you say everybody?
It's not you. You know you're not a mom. I am big girl now with big mansion and company. Small girl with big girl. You see that thing they say table turn? Yes, I am the table now. I have turned. You see how? And I heard that you were looking for a job in my father's company. And you seized my certificate. You see how? We shall see. I will come to you later.
Okay. What? Please. Don't get me involved. You're the one that started this war. You almost kicked her out of this house. And you asked her to go and look for her father. Now her father have come. Biko Pao. Whatever you see, just take it.
No, Chief, you can't say that to me. No. You cannot sit here and say that to me. That little girl, Dorcas, dictates if Okenna gets the job or not. No, you can't do that to me now. It's not fair. After everything I did for this job, no. No, it's not fair. Don't say that. It's not fair.
Listen to me. If you and Okenna have any issue with my daughter, you had better go and resolve it. Because she has the final say as far as this job is concerned.
What happens to me? Don't tell me what happens to me. I had sex with you. I gave you my body in place of that job. I deserve it. You owe me that job. You can't say that to me. You owe me that job. You can't tell me to go meet Dorcas. No! You owe me!
It seems you have a very short memory. Have you forgotten that each time we had sex, I pay you? Now, I want you to get this straight into your head. Dorcas has the final say as far as this job is concerned, like I said. And you can't stand here to dictate to me who gets what in my company. No. Dorcas has the final say. If she said Okenna gets the job, he gets it. But if she feels otherwise, so be it.
Dorcas, my daughter, please, forgive him. Oh, I know he has really offended you. Yes. He has made so many mistakes. But he's human. And humans are bound to make mistakes. Don't forget he's your uncle. Please, find a place in your heart and forgive him. Oh?
Please.
Biko.
Biko. Dorcas nwanne m. Dodo bye. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. All those things I did, I didn't do it with my eyes, or it was out of frustration. Please now, forgive me. Biko.
All I ever wanted was for you to be a responsible uncle, to be a better person. Just for me to be proud to call you my uncle. I didn't hate you. I never hated you. I just wanted to enjoy the benefit of a responsible uncle. Me, I know that you were not like this when you finished your university. I know that you were not like this. You were calm. You used to be a very calm person. You pamper me. You treat me. All of a sudden, you not changed. So you started smoking Igbo. You now started behaving somehow and treating everybody like trash. I felt me I need to give you your own boost. I'm sorry for the way I treated you, Sha, and the insult I gave you. Until now, and I not still hate you. I can never hate you. You're my uncle. So, Daddy, you can give him the job.
If you say he deserves the job, then so be it.
Hi, Mama. Dodo. Hi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome. You're welcome.
Mama. Hi. Mama.
It's okay.
Dorcas will not be Oma.
It's okay.
Hi.
Thank you so very much.
We need to celebrate this new beginning.
Oh, that sounds good.
Everything will be fine.
Hey.
Thank you. Thank you. That's good. That's good.
Baby. Baby. My love, what is this tears for?
Nothing.
Nothing. But you are crying. You don't seem to be happy. I thought you have gotten the job. Dorcas has let everything go. Everywhere is good and nice now.
I am happy for you. I really am. I'm happy.
You are happy for me? Are you joking, or you are happy for us? My love, you are crying. This is something we hoped for. This is something you fought for. Now we have achieved everything. I expect you to be happy.
I'm happy. Truly. So, Dorcas forgave you just like that and asked her father to give you the job.
Yes. She asked her father to give me the job. And the job came with plenty benefits. I'm telling you, everything has turned around for our good now.
So what about me? Has she forgiven me?
Yes. I believe she has forgiven you. Look, let me tell you, my love. You see, Dorcas, she's not that hard-hearted. I was surprised to see her soft heart. I mean, I never thought she could be this nice. My love, stop now. Stop crying. You should be happy. God has answered our prayer. Please, just be fine for me. We should be planning of how to start our own family. We need to start making babies. Because God is with us now. So stop crying. Fine girls are not supposed to be crying. I hope you know that. When you cry, you spoil your beauty. And it's not good for a beautiful girl to spoil her beauty. I have this smile on your face.
I'm coming. Who's there?
Dodo, bye.
Uncle and his wife. Our wife. I want to see our wife is.
Okay.
Our wife.
Mama?
Come in. Come.
How are you?
Mama?
You're welcome.
Come and sit.
Ma.
Sit. Sit now. Sit. You know you're a good person. I was talking to you like that because I felt you were a bad person. Maybe you just came to my uncle's life to useless him more. I didn't know that you are a good person. See, I was just trying to save my uncle in a way. It's not like me, I'm a bad person too. You're a nice person. You were there for my uncle. You stayed through all thick and thin. You love him unconditionally. Uncle, see, she's your wife. Hold her tight, like hold her well. She loves you so much.
Oh, we have visitors.
Yes.
We're now one big family.
Oh, yes, we are one big family.
Come and sit.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, what should I bring for our visitor?
I think you should know. You should know better.
Okay. So, Auntie Angela, what do you want? Are you okay?
Why are you doing this now? Where are you going with your bag? I told you that Dorcas is no longer reasoning this whole thing. No. Dorcas not the reason you, I swear. Everywhere is good now.
Okay, now I'm happy for you. I am happy you got the job. But I'm sorry I can't just marry you.
You keep saying that you are happy for me. You should be happy for us. Did I do anything wrong? Maggie? Baby, wait now. Why are you doing this? You want to leave me? Do you want to leave me?
I'm sorry, but I can't. I'm sorry.
Baby. Baby, wait! Babe! Babe! Angela! What have I done wrong?
Now wetin na? No be your woman I see wey carry bag dey move na. Wetin happen na?
Nothing happen, Okoko. Leave me alone.
Huh, that one no concern you. Anything wey you like make e happen. Me, I don set you. Go set you go. Na go get us now. As your padi, I don't pack back. Make we enter go fast. Leave waiting to happen. Or raw. Go bring your bag, make the cut out now. I don't even get contact of people where they deal with Kana for Echo. So as we the bill now, once we enter Echo, we go contact Canadian Embassy. If we reach Canadian Embassy from Canada, we don't begin the they do one now. Over competence now.
You don't lock door like a copy. If you don't live here now, you will regret this your movement. Yeah. Get out from here. You want to follow me to the city? Or you say I don't get man. You put them bad luck.
I'm your body now. See better bag. What you say? From here now, I go graduate to Ecoland. Now make I carry this small one now.
I go for Borgania. You won't follow me? Go city. Go smoke Canada.
Yeah, no.
You know any Canada.
Because no. From there we go enter Canada now. Go to deal with Canada case now. See Rizla, plenty Rizla where I carry for bag now. Before we go buy another Rizla, we go reach 6 months. Hey! Now wow, see where I don't tell my neighbors, they say in the next 3 years now they come back.
Angela loves you. There's no doubt about that. She's ready to go to any length for you. But any woman that jumps from one man to another is not a marriageable woman. So if you seek my opinion, I would say don't marry her. Unless you're willing to live with the bitter truth for the rest of your life.
My love, please. Please hear me out. I know what happened. I know what you did. And I know that you live with the guilt. Listen, I don't care. Whatever thing it is, I don't care. I still want you. I want to marry you. Nothing changes. Please, don't leave me.
I'm sorry.
You want to break my heart.
I'm sorry, I can't marry you. You deserve better.
I deserve better without you. Can't you understand? Please, don't leave me. I don't care. Am I complaining? No, I'm not. After all, you did it because of me.
I just can't. Please. I can't. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, because don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I'm sorry.
Sorry. You deserve better than this. Please, I'm sorry.
Please, no. I'm sorry.
Angela, please marry my uncle. Please. See, I don't know what he must have done, but forgive him. Marry him. You are the only person I can trust to love and care for him genuinely.
You marry me. Thank you.
Now which kind person be this? Every day now wahala, one day one trouble. At least to make your family rest for your matter. Anyaya wala go so happy we go run for you. And which kind person be this? Okay, now find something to do in. Instead of looking for trouble or here and there. Okay, now try TV and many no go. Yeah, okay, find something to do in. Okay, now which kind person be this? Na na na. Mother no mama, no lo cha cha. Okay, now. Okay, na be useful to yourself, na na na. Hey, okay, na this and that, yeah. Okay, na. Person be this every day na wahala, one day one trouble. At least to make your family rest for your matter. Anyaya wala go so okay na happy we go run for you. And which kind person be this? Okay na find something to do in. Instead of looking for trouble here and there. Okay na choti fi emeni no go. Find something to do in. Okay, now which kind person be this? Na na na. Mother no mama no lo cha cha. Okay na be useful to yourself. Na na na. Hey, okay na this and that.